Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one reliable face change app and importing your photos now. You want 2 images, a clear source face and a target photo, both neutral and well lit. This matters because alignment depends on facial landmarks. Once done, set permissions so the app can read your files and make sure auto-upload is off to protect privacy. Next, tap Import on the app, pick the 2 images, and confirm alignment prompts. This first step sets the foundation for a clean swap. Now you refine alignment and blending. This is the complex middle where results are made or broken. You should open landmark tools and place points on eyes, nose, and mouth. Precise placement avoids distortion. Then adjust color matching and the blend radius so skin tones transition smoothly. Preview at full size and at a 16:9 crop to catch artifacts. If hair or glasses interfere, switch to the mask or brush tool and paint out problem areas. Doing this manually gives the most natural finish. Finish by exporting your result at the original resolution and saving a backup project file. You'll thank yourself if you need to revise. If you see visible seams, reopen the project and reduce the blend radius slightly, or nudge landmarks by small increments. Tiny changes often solve big problems. For color mismatch, use selective color or HSL sliders to match tones. Make sure to compare before and after at 100%. One troubleshooting tip: if artifacts persist, re-import higher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.